Three general classes of math parameters are used to relate the number of cases, diseases, patients, or outcomes in the healthcare environment to the size and source of the population in which they occur. The most basic measure is a ratio. A ratio expresses the relationship of one quantity to another. To calculate a ratio, one quantity is divided by another. The number can be greater than or less than 1. For example, to express a ratio in the simplest form, we may have 14 to 28. We're going to put 14 over 28, and we're going to break this down. We know it's divisible by 2, and that would give us 7 over 14, and that is also divisible by 7, and our end result would be 1 over 2. If we had 3 to 12, we could make this 3 over 12, and that would break down to 1/4. This is another example. If 7 men and 5 women were in a group, the ratio of men to women would be 7 to 5, or this might be written 7 to 5 with a colon and is verbalized as 7 to 5. The numbers 7 and 5 have no common factor, so you cannot simplify that ratio. However, if you have 6 men and 10 women in a group, the ratio is now 6 to 10. These numbers in the ratio do have a common factor of 2, so it can be reduced or simplified by 2, and that would be 3 to 5. A proportion. It's a type of ratio in which x is a portion of the whole, x plus y. In a proportion, the numerator is always included in the denominator. For example, if 2 women out of the group of 10 are over the age of 50 and they have cancer, where x is 2 women who have cancer and y is 8 women who do not have cancer, the calculation would be 2 divided by or 2 over 2 plus 8, which would give us 0.2. The proportion of women that have cancer is 0.2. So moving back to our page here, we're going to